Factory.com, the factory for the world. In fact, the tagline, the factory for the world, we conceptualized based on how China became the factory for the world. In India, we do have some classified portals who basically display the contact details of these factories, but then no one says, hey, I take the responsibility of these manufacturers. I am the face of these manufacturers. Come transact with Indian manufacturers. We will deliver you the best value. Because of that, global buyers are directly reaching out to Chinese manufacturers because they have that trusted route. If Indian manufacturers have to gain some global orders, they have to independently showcase their expertise. They have to prove their credibility and they have to win the orders, which is a Herculean task, which is not easy for a small-time manufacturer. That's where Factory.com comes in. What we do here at Factory.com is we are bridging that trust bridge between Indian manufacturers and global buyers. So today we work with about 650 manufacturers in India. They are primarily based in Tirupur, Ludhiana, Bengaluru. And these manufacturers make all kinds of apparel products, bags, wearables. Now, these manufacturers use our factory management software, which is helping them to become more efficient, which is helping them to procure raw materials at lower cost. And on top of it, our platform is helping them to access global market. We are taking their products to the global buyers. We are not an open marketplace like Alibaba. We are a closed marketplace. In case of Alibaba, the buyer and seller gets connected and they negotiate the deal on their own and then they transact through Alibaba so that in case if something goes wrong, Alibaba stands for them. But in case of Factory.com, we have actually gone a few steps ahead. We say that you tell us what you want. You place the order with us. We figure out which factory to work with. We take the responsibility of factory management, sourcing raw materials, getting your product produced and delivering you on time, and you don't have to have any hassles of following up with anyone. So the only point of contact, both for the global buyers and for Indian manufacturers, is Factory.com. So now Indian manufacturers, they don't really have to worry about collections, they don't have to worry about credit, everything is paid on time. We have a large fulfillment center in Bengaluru, which is spread across 1.5 acres. And in this fulfillment center, today, all these products which we manufacture through our partner factories are stored, and whatever basic customization are required to be done, we do it here in our Bengaluru fulfillment center, and then they are shipped to different parts of the world. Apart from having that capability, of customization, all that within our Bengaluru facility, to generate global demand, we have experience centers, anywhere between 500 to 1,000 square feet, small format experience centers where these B2B buyers, institutional buyers, they can come, experience a product, touch, feel the product, experience it, and then they can place the orders. We don't do any retail sales there. These are mostly to help people experience our product. And then we have a global sales team, which is currently based in Bengaluru, but then we are in the process of setting up smaller teams in different major cities in the world. Mission is, can we build that manufacturing infrastructure which can help millions of Indian factories to sell their products globally the way China reformed itself through these platforms? Can we empower Indian manufacturers sell globally? That's the mission.